Hi guys, so are you ready to take your favorite comfort food to the next level? Forget the simple 2 minutes recipe on the packet because today we are going to show you how to make the ultimate restaurant style homemade Maggi noodles. This isn't just about cooking noodles, it's about transforming the classic flavors into something truly special. We are going to add fresh ingredients and few simple twists and a whole lot of flavors to create a bowl of Maggi so good you will never go back to the old way. It's still quick, it's still easy, but it's packed with so much flavors and deliciousness. Whether you are a Maggi lover or a complete beginner, this recipe is for you. If you are new on this channel, then please hit that subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of the new uploads. Also, please do share my recipes with your friends and families so that they also can try these delicious recipes at home. And if you want me to try any recipe on my channel, then please do comment and let me know. I will definitely try my best to do the recipe. So now let's begin with this recipe. So first, to make the homemade Maggi masala, in a hot pan add 2 tablespoon coriander seeds, 2 tablespoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon fennel seeds, half teaspoon fenugreek seeds, 2 bay leaves, 1 inch cinnamon stick, 7 cloves, half teaspoon black peppercorns, 4 green cardamom, 1 Kashmiri dry red chili, and dry roast it until the spices are nicely cooked, and make sure to dry roast it on a medium to low flame. As you can see that the spices are nice and light brown now. Then leave it aside in a separate plate and cool it down completely. Then take a mixer jar, a small jar, to make a powder. Then add all the dry roasted spices and add 1 teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon curry powder, 1 tablespoon garlic granules or powder, 1 tablespoon onion granules or powder, 1 tablespoon amchur powder or also known as mango powder, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1 tablespoon sugar, 5 Maggi stock cubes, add some salt to taste, and then blend it to a fine powder. So the homemade Maggi masala powder is ready. Make sure it is something like this. Then leave this aside. Then in a pan, keep water for boiling, cover it and allow it to boil. Then add 350 grams Hakka noodles and give it a mix. Cover it and cook it until the noodles are 80 to 90% cooked. So the noodles are cooked about 80 to 90% now. Then give it a nice mix. As you can see that the water is nicely reduced. Make sure it is something like this. Then add about 1.5 tablespoon homemade Maggi masala and cook it for about 2 minutes. So the homemade Maggi masala is ready. And there you have it guys, the ultimate, elevated and absolutely delicious homemade Maggi noodles. Forget the 2 minutes version from the packet because this is so much more delicious. This is comfort food taken to the next level, packed with fresh ingredients and bursting with flavor. I truly hope you enjoyed this quick and easy update to a classic. It's the perfect way to make your favorite snack even more special. Now that you know the secret, I want to know what topping or veggies did you add to your Maggi? Let me know in the comments below. If you love this recipe, then please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your fellow Maggi fans and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.